Have you got a difficult spot? Trying to figure out a plant that will tolerate neglect. You don't care about it, but it still performs and grows really well. Screening plant? Yes. Colourful foliage? Yes. Be attracting when it flowers? Definitely yes. Well, this is Pleomele reflexa. It's now in the Dracaena family, but this one is known as Sonf of India because of the colour. There is also Song of Jamaica or Malayan stripe, but the Sonf of India is by far the most popular because of its colour range. Now this will grow a couple of meters tall. It can be pruned down to meet your requirements, but I do love them when they're pruned to about the 2 to the 3 meter height. And you can hack them back really hard and they will reshoot. This plant tolerates complete neglect. You can go away for months, a year, and it will still be living and thriving. Now it does belong to the Dracaena family, which means it is very good at conserving water and looking for water as well. It has distinctive orangey root system, which helps to identify this plant. Now in a hedge, this is a wonderful screening border plant, and it can screen out sheds, buildings, and your neighbor. So give it a consideration, the Sonf of India, Pleomele reflexa, also known as Dracaena reflexa, and look for it in your local garden center. My name is Paul Plant. This is the Paul Plant Horticulture YouTube, a daily uploaded video for everyone to watch and hopefully get some garden tips as to the range of plants suitable for our climate here in the subtropics, but also for the tropics and the warm temperate areas.